Many renters worry about someone coming into their home without permission. It is a common concern that can make you feel uneasy. You might wonder if your privacy is truly protected. The main question is simple. Can your landlord just walk in whenever they want? The answer is almost always no. Your home is your private space, even though you are renting it. The law recognizes this and sets rules to balance privacy with property management. This guide explains those rules in plain, simple words, what landlords can and cannot do. When you sign a lease and pay rent, you gain a right called quiet enjoyment. A surprise visit can be a major disturbance, which is why most places have entry laws. These laws protect your sanctuary and define how and when entry can happen. Landlords do have legitimate reasons to enter a tenant's home. They own the property and must maintain it. Repairs are a common reason, a leaky faucet, or a heater that stops working. Entry to fix problems benefits you and prevents bigger damage. They may show your unit to new renters or potential buyers if you are moving out. The law usually allows showings with proper notice, ideally grouped to reduce disruption. Inspections check safety and condition, not your personal life. Local codes may require occasional inspections to keep homes safe. In Ontario, even with a valid reason, landlords must give notice before entering. Under Ontario's Residential Tenancies Act, notice is the rule. Landlords must give at least 24 hours written notice before entry. The notice must state a valid reason, repair, inspection, or showing. It must include the date and a time window between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Delivery can be in writing or electronic if you agreed to receive notices that way. Vague timing like sometime tomorrow is not reasonable. Entries are during normal hours unless you agree to another time. Your lease cannot waive these rights guaranteed by Ontario law. In a true emergency, Ontario law allows immediate entry without notice. Examples include a fire in the building or your unit, a major flood or a burst pipe affecting you or a unit below. The smell of gas is an immediate hazard. Minor issues like a slow drip are repairs, not emergencies. If the landlord asks at the door and you consent, entry is permitted. Entry may also occur if the unit is reasonably believed abandoned. Outside of emergencies or consent, written 24-hour notice is required. Unreasonable or repeated unlawful entries can be challenged under the Act. If your landlord shows up without proper notice, remain calm. Speak politely through the doorway and stay in control. Ask simple questions to clarify. Request the reason for the visit and note you received no notice. If they claim an emergency, ask them to describe it. If it is not urgent, deny entry for now and propose an alternative. Ask for written notice and a time that works for both of you. Then document everything: date, time, who was there, and what was said. Save texts, emails, and any notes left at your door. Your record becomes crucial if the behavior continues. Prepared phrases help you stay clear, polite, and firm. Sample, non-emergency. Hello. I was not expecting you. Can you tell me why you are here? I did not receive a written 24-hour notice for this visit. Since this is not an emergency, I cannot let you in today. Please send proper written notice. On a short notice call, I need at least 24 hours in writing. I can be available tomorrow afternoon. If it continues, send a formal letter or email stating facts. List dates and times, cite your local notice law, and request compliance. Keep copies to create a clear paper trail. In Ontario, your rental home carries strong rights to privacy and quiet enjoyment. They cannot enter whenever they please. Valid reasons include repairs, showings, and inspections, with notice. Notice should be written, with date, time window, and purpose during business hours. Emergencies like fire, major floods, or gas leaks allow immediate entry. If they show up without notice, stay calm, be polite but firm. Ask the reason and remind them of the notice rule. If not urgent, deny entry and reschedule with proper notice. Document every incident. Know your rights to keep your home private, peaceful, and free from surprise visits.